my channel. I am Parnila and this video is very special for me because this is my first video on this YouTube channel. And I want to make this video a little more special for you guys as well. That's why today I'm going to review not one, not two, three parcels that I ordered from Smitten. So Smitten is India's first application where you can find free sample products with trial points. And I will provide you every single detail about Smitten at the end of the video. So please don't skip the video and watch till the end. So one by one I'm going to review all those three boxes. So before starting the video, I want to say this is not a sponsored video. This is my personal experience, you can say. So this is a complete honest review that I want to share with you guys. So not doing further more delay, let's quickly open the first box. So in this box I have variety of face mask. Okay. So I already opened the box and it's something look like this. It's loaded. Oops. It's loaded with face mask. You can see. So the first product that I have is by the brand of Mamaearth, and Mamaearth is a very well-known brand these days. And this is Mamaearth's Upton face mask, and it comes with a 25 gram of sample packaging. The first thing I want to say, the smell of this product is so good. It smells like a sandalwood powder, and I want to show you the texture of this product. So yeah, you can see it's very smooth. I already used this product for 2 times and I love this product. So if you want to buy this, definitely go for this one. Okay, so the next product that I have is again by the brand Mamaearth, and it's their vitamin C sleeping mask. And the packaging is so nice, it's so tiny, and it contains 15 grams of the product. I'm actually using this for a week, and you can see I already finished so much of the product, but honestly speaking I really don't like the product. As you can see, the formulation, it's so similar like aloe vera gel. Yeah, it contains aloe vera, but it's so similar like a natural aloe vera gel. You can see it's like a water and it's vanished after just applying this. So I really don't think it will work. So personally I really don't like the product, so I'm not gonna recommend it this product. But if you want, so you can check this out. So the third product that I have is by the brand Plum, and Plum is again a very well known brand these days, and it's their chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask. Okay, so I already used this product for 2 times, and honestly speaking I have literally so many hopes with this product, but it disappointed me so much, and I will never ever gonna use this again. The smell of this product is so irritating, and the formulation is like so cakey. It doesn't spray evenly on the skin. I really don't like this product, and I'm not gonna recommend this to anyone because of the smell especially. Okay, so the fourth product that I have is by the brand M Caffeine, and this is one of my personal favorite brand, and this is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. First thing, the smell of the product is like so good. It smells like exactly chocolate and coffee. And let me quickly show you the formulation as well. You can see it sprayed so nicely. This is a perfect consistency of a face mask. It's not liquidy, it's not so thick. This is a perfect consistency, and I already used this for 3 times. As you can see, it's already almost empty, and I love this product, and definitely I'm gonna purchase the full size product of this particular brand and this particular mask. So this is a highly recommended product from my side. If you have normal to dry skin, so you can definitely go for this one. But if you have acne or prone skin, so don't use this. And especially this is not recommended for sensitive skin people. And the last two products are two sheet masks. So the first one is hydrating sheet mask, and it contains hyaluronic acid watermelon with nitrosinamide. So I'm definitely gonna use this one because I love to use sheet mask. And the another one is vitamin C fruit sheet mask. So I'm very excited to using both of this one, and after using this I'm definitely gonna review this product as well. And the special thing is, with the first box I got this cute lilac pouch for free. It's a gift from Smitten. So it's a very nice travel size pouch, and you can easily carry your makeup products and your some skincare products. I love this one. Okay, so this is the second box that I have from Smitten. Okay, and it contains only three products. I mean, two products and a gift item. So the first product that I have is by the brand Just Herbs, and it's Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. Can you believe, guys, I got a lip and cheek tint for free. And this container contains 4 grams of product, and this is a full size product. You can see it have something, a cap like that, and this is the product. You can see it's very pigmented. I mean, I just swatch it once like that and it's very pigmented. I already used this for 2-3 times and I love this tint. I'm gonna purchase this again and again from Smitten, obviously, and I love this one. Definitely go for this one. So the second product that I have is by the brand Sarona, and this is Sarona's facial razor. I never used any facial razor before on my skin, and I will not gonna use this razor on my skin, but I can definitely use it to done my eyebrows and upper lip. And finally I have a gift as well with this box, and this is a very nice coffee color fake leather pouch, and this is also spacious, but it's smaller than the previous one. I love this one. This is so cute. The color is so good. I can carry my lipsticks, eyeliners, and all these things in this travel pouch. Okay, so the last but not the least box here I have, and this is my third purchase from Smitten. And the box is something look like this. This box contains so many products. The first thing I got is a voucher, and I think I will use it later. Okay, so the first product that I have is by the brand M Caffeine, again my favorite brand. I mean, one of my most favorite brand, and this is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. I already used this product for once and I love this one. Like, it smells like exactly raw coffee, and the formulation is so so perfect. It exfoliates your skin so nicely. Definitely go for this one, and I will going to purchase the full size product as app. So the second product that I have is by the brand Plum, and this is Plum's body loving range vanilla vibe body oil. And I was literally dying to use this particular body oil because I already saw like so many reviews on YouTube about this body oil, and I am very excited for this one. I still not open this one. It's completely sealed, as you can see. So let me quickly open this one and show you guys as well. Okay, so I open this and I'm going to drop it. Oh my god, it smells like vanilla muffins. Okay, it smells so good, and it's completely non-greasy. It quickly absorbs on my skin, as you can see. Oh my god, it's so nice. I love this one. I love this one. If you find this on trial section, definitely grab this one. This is amazing. Thumbs up. And let me quickly show you the third product that I have, and this is again by the brand Plum, and this is Plum's body loving range vanilla vibes body butter. So I never used body butter before, and I always want to use M Caffeine's chocolate body butter or choco body butter, but I didn't found it on the trial section till now. So I ordered this vanilla vibes body butter, and let me Okay, it smells so similar like the oil, and you can see the texture. It's very smooth, it's non-greasy, it's so perfect, and the consistency is very thick. So you can definitely use this if you have a dry skin problem. So it will keep you moisturized for a long time in winter. So definitely gonna try this one as well if you found this on the trial section. So the fourth product that I have is by the brand Saffranium, and this is the Saffron Light Facial Oil. As you guys know, saffron oils are very expensive, and this is also known as Kumkumadi oils. And you can see the color, it exactly look like saffron, as you can see. I already used this for 2 days and this is good. I love this one. So if you find this product in the trial section, definitely check this out. And at the end, I have 3 gift items. Okay, so the first one is again a lilac pouch, and I have like these 2 similar lilac pouches, and this is so useful thing. I will definitely gonna use all those pouches. And another thing is these 2 products. This is Plum's olive and macadamia healthy hydration shampoo. This is a 50 ml of sample packaging, and this is a very cute travel size package. So I will save this for my travels or vacations. And this is the same brand's conditioner, so I'm definitely gonna use both of this while traveling. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and now I will quickly show you how to use Smitten. So firstly we have to open Smitten, and in the upper left you can see 6 trial points. So this is the trial section of this application, and you can pick any product of your choice. And soon after you're done with this, just simply go to the cart and choose your gift. And I'm choosing my gift by my preferences. After that, press proceed to payment. Here you can see 2 options. One is cashback and another is 6 trial points. So I'm choosing 6 trial points. And after that, simply you have to place the order. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys.